टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल सगळ्यांना तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली सावध आनी भलायकी एंड लेट्स मेक सम क्विक सांबार that is of Moringa Leaves Sambar. So this is like one bunch I got from our garden, and I'm not going to chop this. I'm going to add like this only, and 1/4 cup of masoor dal I have taken. So add masoor dal, moringa leaves. Then we will add some 1 onion chopped, 2 potatoes chopped, 3 tomatoes chopped, and 1 beetroot chopped. And then what we have to add to this, I will show you all. So let's add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Then we need 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 4 teaspoon of sambar, homemade sambar masala powder. So all this we add and we give 4 whistles to this, and then we add salt to taste. Tamarind pulp we will add later. As of now, this is it. Add water and give 4 whistles. So 3/4 cup of water and mix, cover it and give 4 whistles. Going on the gas. Let's give our tadka. But before that we will add our tamarind pulp in this. And give a mix. That's all this. And now we have to give tadka. So tadka is same. Asafida, red chilies, some curry leaves, 1 heaped teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Then we'll go other things like mustard seeds and our cumin seeds. So now let's add our mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon. And our cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Few peppercorns. Peppercorns if you want to add. Then our curry leaves. Ginger garlic paste and our chili and our alcohol. That's it, and now we will add this to our sambar. Try and enjoy this sambar. and make it in your kitchen. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and it's done. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां हे आमचे मुस्काचे पानाचे सांबार बरें लागतले. करून खायात. Moringa Leaves Sambar. Thank you.
And here it is ready. Lovely, yummy and tasty Moringa Leaves Sambar. Enjoy.